Red explains that the application form window is officially closed. Mufareh is personally supervising this stage and giving him updates in real time. During the live session, key announcements and next steps. 1. Application phase closed. The Victory with Ash application form is no longer available. Corporate confirmed that the response was massive, greater than Survey 1 and 2 combined. 2. Review underway. The company is now reviewing all applications. They are sorting reports and identifying priority placement positions. The people who will lead the first stage of Victory with Ash. Once this review is complete, updates will appear only inside OIS on passive ecosystem. Warning: no official emails have been sent yet. Any email claiming approval or instructions is fake. If anyone receives such an email, they must screenshot it and send it to Chris Johnson for verification. 3. Approval notifications next week. Approved members will be notified next week. The official update and instructions will first appear in OIS. Then an email will follow. 4. Email for approved members. Those approved will receive an official corporate email containing a unique registration link for the Victory with Ash platform. This link takes them to a short registration form simpler than the earlier application. The registration will be time-sensitive, only open for a short period. If you miss the deadline, you might lose your position, so check OIS daily. 5. After registration. Once all approved members register and the time window closes, referral links will be released all at once to everyone. This ensures fairness, no early advantages. After referral links are active, members can join their preferred leader's circle team. 6. If you're not approved. Red and Ash emphasized this very clearly. No one will be left behind. Join through any trusted leaders circle using a referral link. Choose who they want to follow, sponsor, mentor, or any leader they respect. 7. Core message from Mufareh. Ash's words as shared by Red. We have prepared the whole process strategically. Everything is lined up step by step. We will keep you informed with clarity and simplicity. Nobody will be left behind. This means every phase has been carefully designed. Communication will be direct and transparent. Simplified timelines. 1. Application form closed down. 2. Review of application shape in now. 3. Approval notification next week via OIS plus email. 4. Registration form short and time sensitive. 5. Referral links released after registration window closes. 6. Join preferred circles, freedom to choose trusted leader. 7. Launch of Victory with Ash. Beginning of the new business journey. Final motivation. Red closed the session saying, "Don't panic if you're not approved first, you will still join Victory with Ash. This isn't about luck or numbers, it's about unity, trust, and engagement. Ash's goal is fairness and inclusion. No one will be left behind."